LP Technologies, a leader in satellite monitoring solutions, introduces LPT ASM WEB, a module that brings ASM to the browser. ASM WEB adds a web server into the architecture of the LPT ASM, eliminating need for local installations. Trace data stored on the ASM database is processed and shared by the ASM web server, allowing an unlimited number of simultaneous users to access the system's resources through a browser. ASM WEB allows users to log into their system and monitor real-time spectrum analyzer feeds from any location on the network. Users can create, manage, and share monitoring walls from Firefox, Google Chrome, and more. ASM WEB is compatible with mobile devices. ASM WEB offers several privilege levels which allow system administrators to control user abilities and trace data. The controlled trace data is compartmentalized, preventing users from gaining access to carriers, traces, and beacons they are not authorized to view. While one user may be limited to viewing only a few signals, another operator can have full access to the entire system, monitoring hundreds of signals at once. ASM WEB uses cutting-edge technology to display crisp and dynamic walls that display up to 100 spectral traces on one screen with no impact of performance. Users can choose to view signals in trace, 3D view, or spectrogram. ASM WEB not only has all features of the LPT ASM client, like splitting the display in multiple windows to monitor multiple carriers, creating alarm monitors, and reporting anomalies, it unlocks more powerful features to a bigger crowd. ASM WEB can launch a spectrum analyzer in live mode and return it to the monitoring system when the troubleshooting session is done. ASM WEB has multiple options that allow users to replay recorded trace history on demand and create graphs for post-event analysis. Data compartmentalization, user access privilege level restrictions, and the ability to manage users without installing software makes the ASM WEB system very secure, the perfect tool for companies with strict IT departments. Sensitive data is securely transferred through SSL certifications and modern web practices. ASM WEB is also TLS 1.3 compatible. ASM WEB is a powerful addition to LPT ASM and is ideal for both companies' internal users and authorized external users. ASM WEB can allow companies' customers to see their own traces, eliminating unnecessary calls to the company's technical support lines, or, as an added value, revenue-generating service to their customers. Here is an example of how ASM WEB worked. A company with multiple remote sites in the US running the LPT ASM WEB monitoring system can securely allow engineers, technicians, and an unlimited number of compartmentalized international customers on the same platform. Each authorized user only has access to firewall data restricted by the system administrator at the US company's Network Operations Center. Whether offered free or as a paid service by the US company, LPT ASM WEB will allow users to access the system from anywhere in the world by simply logging into the portal using a PC, laptop, a tablet, or even a mobile phone. To contact LP Technologies, visit www.lptech.com, email sales@lptech.com, or call 316-831-9696.